Hello everyone, it's me Asmarif welcoming you to my new logo design tutorial, and today I'll show you this type of like royal type logo or floral type logo in Illustrator. I'm using Illustrator 2023 and I'll show you all the steps in these apps. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, going to the file and taking new options, 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel. If logo, and then taking the color mode RGB. If you want to print it out, you can take the CMYK, whichever do you prefer, it's totally up to you, and hit the create button. And after that, taking the square shape 2000 and 2000 and hit the OK button. Turn off the stroke, fill color is black and align to the middle of the artboard, and lock it up by pressing Ctrl or Command 2, and then we'll do all the stuffs like that. So we have some gradient and floral items or accessories. So taking this one, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and I'm keeping this one beside of this, making the white color. We'll work with the white and then we'll give the gradient over there. Taking this gradient, Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, and we'll just work with that. Then going to the square shape, making this one white, just making this type of shape and making it to stroke and changing into like 5 or 6 pt, making it align into middle. Here is the cornering round options. If you don't show or see this one, going to the view options, here is the show corner edges and hide corner edges. If you click here hide corner edges, the corner edges will hide. If you make or get the hide corner edges, go to the view options and turn on the show corner edges. It will just giving you some wedges over there and making this one round like this. Okay, that's good. We'll keep this one by pressing Alt option button and keep it beside. Select this one, going to the object and expand this one and hit the OK button. Fill and stroke will be select and hit OK. That means we made it into the vector form from the stroke form. Okay, that's good. And now we'll take this one, we'll rotate this one like this. Okay, according to this, that's good. And now we'll cut it off. How to cut it up? Just taking another shape. Okay, Ctrl Command V, press Ctrl Command Y for the outline mode, and making this one according to this and according to this. Selecting these two things, that means two objects. Shift M for the shape builders tool, press the Alt option button and delete this portion. Ctrl Command Y, we are back into normal mode. Now we'll write down everything, and you can rotate this one a little bit, it will be the nicer. Okay, nice. Rotate this one a little bit, adjust this one, that's nice. Okay, now going to the text tool, write down normal font A and giving the color white. I'm using here the Futura font, this one, and making this one like 50%, or you can make it bigger if you want. That's good. And place this one into middle, and here another one writing like S. Okay, that's fine. You can make this one align to the middle and making this one bigger like this. Right press and create outline. And now going to the line segment tool and drawing line like this, 45 degree, that's good, and giving the stroke thickness white into 6 pt or 5 pt, that's good. And then going to the object and then expand this one, making this one vector form, that's good. Now we'll align it. Select this one, align with this, and select this one, align with this, that's good. And now you can make this one into the downside, that's fine. So our making this one group and making it into middle of the artboard, that's good. Now we'll take this one and making this one a little bit of smaller. We're using it as a guideline of the writing tool, so making this one round like this. Okay, going to the type tool, type in a path tool and type like this, making this one into smaller font like this, and making this one white. And after that we'll make this into the inside of this. So how to make this one? Just place over there and making this one inside of it. And you can change up the font size, so I'm changing it up, and in this case I'll use the Futura normal font, and then you can adjust the space between two letters. You can make this one little bit of gap between two letters. Yeah, that's good. And all the stuffs, select this one, that means this write up, create outline, select all the stuffs, I from the keyboard and select once. You are getting the gradient over there. Select all the stuffs and making it group by pressing Ctrl Command G and making into the artboard into middle. So our logo is ready. Hope that you learned a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, asmarif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.